Welcome back, everybody. I don't know what today is. I think it's the 15th. November 15th. Yeah. Yes. I will take this. Rocking a t-shirt. It's 79 degrees. It says 78, 79. I was watching. Really wasn't watching. I went to get my hair cut and they had the TV on, but the volume's all the way down, and they were discussing this major cold front sweeping in through. Yeah. 79 degrees. It's not cold. It's gorgeous. The sun is like very warm still for being November. Yeah, so this is an amazing, gorgeous ride. I spent lunch with my wife down at Fort Sam. They had a Thanksgiving thing. Really not used to the military and all of that and luncheons, and it's just, you know, it's unique still. But now I'm out riding my Spider. And I came a very long way of getting to where I'm at, but it's kind of cool because I found something I'm gonna go maybe stop at on the way home just to see what it's all about. And we're just going to take a nice little ride today. Well, that's a big yawn. I'm a little on the speechless side, to be honest. I'm just enjoying the nice weather. It's not a million degrees out, but you know, it's still green. I think what happens down here with the trees that do lose their leaves, they just go from green to brown and they fall off, and then you have these trees that are still green, and then you have the trees with no leaves, and then February comes along and everything blooms again. So we'll see. Oh, another big yawn. Oh. So I spent some time down here December, and I drove back. I got back on Christmas Eve last year, and then I turned right around and came down in January, and I really haven't left. I brought everything down basically. So I haven't been down here for a full winter, you know, but so far I dig it. I really do. And we're just gonna go out riding on this road. I'm not even gonna come off this road. I'm just gonna go straight. See where this road goes. That's pretty. Oh, dang, I'm tired. That's what happens when you get thrown off your routine. I didn't go into work today because I had that thing down at Fort Sam. Bear Creek. There's actually water in that creek. You have a lot of dry washes down through here. 27, 22. Nice little road. And I've never been out this way. I went into New Braunfels a little bit more. I didn't have to. I still don't know where roads go and where they start and where they stop and how to get to that road. But no, it's cool, you know, just out for a nice little ride. Winery. That looks like a cool road too. Oh, I've been down that road. Coming back from the lake. I see a spider up there. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Pretty Cadillac. Let's just see where this goes. I think if I wanted to stay in the country, I should have went right. Yep, got no clue where we're at. Subway, anybody? I don't know if I think I've been here. I went straight through that way. We just keep going this way. Yeah, I was going from left to right. Oh, someone on a little scoot. Looks like they're having a good time. Oh. The big ones. Wicked good pizza. It's a big RT. So I would say I am up around the Canyon Lake area. Tom Creek. Speed limit low. Party boats. I think that's that Silly Rabbit Saloon. Oh yeah, I see the lake. All roads lead to the lake, people. So on my last ride, I saw my first wild boar. It was, you know, dead on the side of the road, but still, it was a wild boar. Marina. That's a very dry marina. What do we got this way? Wow, this lake is nice little camping site though. I don't even know how much water they would need to have to get this thing filled back up. Yeah, it's a squirrel. So I would say the water used to come to this first ledge. Not anymore. Crazy. But there's a big lake, because I've been across it in the Dallas area, and it's full. It's all the way full. So it must just be San Antonio, I guess, is maybe the start of southern Texas. I don't know. And it's just super dry down here. $20 feet down, more, 30 feet down. And it produces electricity. It's a hydro dam, but I don't know if it's making electricity with it being so low. I think the Guadalupe River flows into it. Yeah, that's that Silly Rabbit Saloon. Alright, everybody, I'm gonna listen to some music. That's all I can say. Hopefully you enjoyed the ramblings. I'm Fat Man from San Antonio. Give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road. Set to cruise. Turn off the camera. Later, people.